5 best online bartending schools to become a mixologist. Want to be a professional bartender? Bartending and mixology is the perfect job for social people. Love to be creative with drinks and enjoy a career that will keep them on their toes every day. The best part, you'll get paid. If you're looking to work in an exciting environment where it's not just about pouring shots all night long, but also coming up with new concoctions from scratch while meeting tons of different types of people, then bartending or mixology might be your calling. Get your certification while still in your PJ with these best bartending school and mixology courses. Number 1. BarSmarts, the leading online bartending school. The second largest wine and spirits distillery in the world is responsible for creating this online learning platform that offers comprehensive courses. These detailed lessons are what makes new bartenders keep coming back to school. One of their teachers, David Wondrich, has even won 9 James Beard Awards, including the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award. What can you expect to cover within BarSmarts School is cocktail history, classic cocktails, every spirits category, serving techniques, service management. You'll have multiple tests during your learning journey that will assess your applied skills and knowledge. Upon successfully passing all the tests, you can proudly say to yourself, "I got my bartending certificate from BarSmarts." Number 2. Bartending 101. 7 simple and delicious drinks, a free online bartending school. If you want to start with something easy and maybe test out your desire for bartending, here is a course that can be perfect for you. You will learn the basics of mixing drinks in this free online course by an experienced bartender called Michael Rigaud, who goes by a local celebrity bartender in North Conway, NH. Michael will teach you all the basics, such as how to shake, strain, and blend cocktails, kinds of liquors, when and how to use them, how to make 7 delicious award-winning drinks. If you're looking to learn how to shake, mix, and blend like a pro without breaking the bank, then this free online bartending courses are just for you. You'll be able to make some of the most popular drinks out there, too, with Michael's help. Number 3. Tips. Responsible alcohol consumption training and education. Training for intervention procedures or tips is a bartender's license that helps them get the attention they deserve. Besides mixing and serving drinks, bartenders need to know how to handle their guests responsibly and attentively. This course can help shape you into one with training from tips. Learn how to detect the beginning of intoxication, prevent issues created by agitated and potentially violent guests, improve your service and approach to guests, notice when guests have reached their drinking limit. Tips was even awarded the Intercontinental Hotels Group Award for Responsible Bartending by the National Restaurant Association. Jeremy Sully, a mixologist and contributor writer at bestessayseducation.com and Classy Essay, said that maintaining the guests happy and keeping the atmosphere light and breezy can sometimes be harder than mixing the drinks. I can safely say that getting a TDI certification is one of the smartest decisions I have ever made. Number 4. Cocktail training and menu creation, an online mixology course. Bartender Barista is an online bartending school that aims to deliver more comprehensive and elaborate knowledge in the art of mixology. Their goal is to shape you into a master bartender, mixologist, sommelier, or instant mixer. That's what this course will do. Take the class at your own pace and set your schedule. It'll be available 24/7, so there's no need for excuses not being able to work around other commitments. What you can expect to learn from cocktail training and menu creation is the history of mixology, different kinds of liquor and cocktails, bar preparation, pouring techniques, how different flavors mix, most popular cocktails around the world, how to match the cocktail with food, events, and weather, how to be an amiable bartender and provide excellent service. Number 5. Bartending Like a Madman, online mixology classes. Katrina Rodzon has been a bartender for over 10 years and wants to make sure her students learn how to mix drinks creatively. In this course, she will teach you the basics of bartending and tips on mixing different liquors to create something original that your guests are bound not to forget. Taking a Bartending Like a Madman course will introduce you to history of bartending, tools you need for bartending and how to use them, how to make top modern cocktails, when you need to shake and when to stir, how to make customized drinks and make unique cocktails. These online bartending schools and mixology courses bring a cost-saving yet high-quality platform for aspiring bartenders. Bartending is more than just an occupation, and it's skillful, creative artistry that can provide excitement to your daily routine. Once you pass the course and learn all skills needed, you could be on track to never have a boring day at work in sight. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology. Hit the notification bell button for more recommendations, tips, and recipes.